In today's video, I'm going to teach you fill down blank cells with repeating data in Google Sheets. If you have a column where some cells are filled and the cells underneath are blank and you want each blank cell to repeat the value from above, this is a quick and efficient method to do it. It's especially useful when you're cleaning up imported data, organizing lists, or preparing a spreadsheet for sorting and filtering. To begin, highlight the range that contains both the cells with data and the blank cells you want to fill. Make sure you select the full section you want to work on, because this method depends on applying the same action across that selected area. You may notice that Google Sheets has tools like Find and Replace or options under the Edit menu. But for this shortcut, you don't actually need to open anything. Instead, go directly to the first blank cell within your selected range and click into it. This is important because that first blank cell becomes the starting point for the pattern you are about to apply. Now, type an equals sign, and then reference the cell directly above it. For example, if your first blank cell is in a 3, you would type equals a 2. What this does is tell Google Sheets to display the value from the cell above, inside the blank one. It's a simple formula, but when applied correctly, it can fill many blank cells in seconds. After entering that formula, highlight your entire target range again. This step makes sure Google Sheets applies the same relative formula pattern throughout the full selection, instead of just changing one cell. Next, press Ctrl and Enter on Windows or Command and Enter on a Mac. That keyboard shortcut applies the formula to every selected cell at once. In other words, each blank cell will pull in the value from the cell immediately above it, which creates that repeated fill-down effect across the range. One important thing to keep in mind is that these are still formulas at this point, not permanent text values, so once the blanks are filled, copy the newly completed column. Then use Paste Special and choose Paste Values Only. This converts the formulas into fixed values, which is helpful if you want to sort, share, or edit the sheet later without affecting the results. That's the full process. It's fast, clean, and very helpful when working with incomplete spreadsheet data. Thanks for watching.